Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study new Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today's topic, more adjectives. Students, do you know what is adjective? Adjective means describe the qualities of something. Like as, look at the brown egg and read the sentence with me. This egg is brown. Brown is a quality of egg. Look at the white egg and read the sentence that given below. This egg is white. White is a quality of egg. Look at the old man and read the sentence with me. This man is old. Old is a quality of man. Look at the young man and read the sentence with me. This man is young. Young is a quality of man. Look at the fat bird and read the sentence with me. This bird is fat. Fat is a quality of bird. Last one is thin bird. And read the sentence with me. This bird is thin. Thin is a quality of bird. Now student, read phonics practice with me. First one is foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. Next one, B-O-O-K. Book. Another one is W-O-O-D. Wood. Another one is K-O-O-K. Cook. R-O-O-K. Rock. L-O-O-K. Look. T-O-O-K. Took. G-O-O-D. Good. And last one is H-O-O-K. Hook. Okay dear student, it's our today lesson. Hopefully you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.